Welcome to a new Curry project tutorial. In this video, we will explore the competence tree, the map of competences of content curation. Content curation is the activity through which we are able to collect the information we need, select and filter it, and make it retrievable and shareable with a system of labels, or tags. Content curation is only apparently a trivial process. It brings into play the capacity for research, classification, reflection and critical thinking. When we learn to curate content, we learn a set of digital and critical analysis skills that are part of information literacy, which is deemed indispensable for 21st century workers. Indeed, competences required for content curation activities are included in the main concept named media and information literacy. It is an umbrella concept that can be defined as a new literacy construct that helps empower people, communities and nations participate in and contribute to global knowledge society. Media and information literacy encompasses the ability to interpret, critically understand and express one's creativity through digital media. This concept gathers three dimensions: information literacy, media literacy and ICT literacy. Information literacy is the ability to stay informed and participate in the construction and dissemination of information, and to identify, define, evaluate, organize, use and communicate information. Media literacy is the ability to understand the nature of both roles and functions of media and information providers. ICT literacy, or digital literacy, is the ability to access, manage, understand, integrate, communicate, evaluate and generate information safely and appropriately through digital devices and web technologies, to participate in economic and social life. The Curry competence tree is developed taking into account the most authoritative frameworks suitable for a wide detailed description of the competences for content curation. In this work, the clusters of competences that are part of the content curation were identified, making them visible within the framework of digital competences and information literacy, creating a synoptic framework. The tree is useful to plan and realize learning activities in the different thematic area concerning content curation, find and filter information, curate and publish contents on the web, communicate and collaborate online. Let's connect to Curry's website by typing www.curryproject.net. From the home page, click on the Competence Tree menu item. As we can see, the Competence Tree section contains quick links to the three sections: find and filter, curate and publish, and communicate and collaborate. Now click on the main menu item to enter the Competence Tree description page, with the competences summary table. The table is divided into three columns, each corresponding to a competence area. Within each column, there are 6 competences related to that area. Each competence is indicated with an alphanumeric code. In the first line we find the description of the area of competence. By clicking on the section title, we enter a table in which each competence is articulated with indicators and descriptors. In the first column we read the title of the competence, and in the next 3 we see how the competence is declined according to the 3 levels: foundation, intermediate and advanced. The descriptions in each level are applied in different contexts, to show concretely how the competence is applied in everyday life. By clicking the buttons in yellow, we can see some examples applied to the school context. These examples can provide suggestions for teachers to initiate and develop content curation educational activities. By clicking on the See All Examples link at the end of each skill sheet, a document will open containing all the examples for all levels. This document can be printed and saved on your computer. You can explore the other sections by clicking on the quick menu in the top bar of the screen. The set of descriptors and examples for each competence can be used to design content curation educational activities for all school levels, and for all teaching disciplines. If you want to know more about content curation theories and methodologies, you can refer to Curry's Starter Kit. The Starter Kit is published in 3 versions. You can read the chapters online, or download and print the entire text document, or watch the videos, which are also available on YouTube.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, add a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to know more about content curation, check out all the videos made by the Curry Project. Visit the project website, www.curryproject.net.